Hello friends, welcome to my Coin City YouTube channel. My channel Coin City has 3 steps. Like this video, share this video, and comment this video or giveaway for $100 benefit my channel. For anyone who gets to hear the word cryptocurrency, Bitcoin is not far out. Most investors would have their trading journey start with this crypto monster. The world understood that Bitcoin is a big deal when celebrities like Elon Musk and many others started sharing their thoughts on public platforms. Being the first ever cryptocurrency to land its feet in the market, Bitcoin has always been buzzing amidst the trend variations. As the digital asset grew stronger, many still speculate the asset may surge towards $100,000 very soon. But with the current market trends, doubts and queries are appearing. Hold on and read further to uncover Bitcoin price prediction for 2021? Let's see, will BTC price hit $100,000? What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a virtual currency similar to that of traditional currency but differs as a decentralized cryptocurrency using peer-to-peer technology for instant payments. Unlike the traditional financial system, Bitcoin is not owned by any government or any company or any individual. The price of Bitcoin completely depends on demand and supply. Bitcoin works on a completely decentralized system using the open source protocol. Mining can be one good option to get hold of some Bitcoins. Fundamental analysis. He published Bitcoin's white paper on October 31, 2021. The white paper included how a P2P, digital currency could be implemented. The team also proposed to utilize a decentralized ledger of transactions lined up in batches. After a gap of 2 months, on January 3, 2009, Satoshi Nakamoto initiated mining for the first time on the Bitcoin network. Together with core founder Satoshi Nakamoto, over the years a huge number of developers and other institutional people contributed to enhancing the crypto software by correcting vulnerabilities and introducing new features. BTC Price Prediction 2021. The year 2021 initiated with a good note, with the price surpassing $30,000. Within just a month, the price achieved the milestone by crossing $50,000 and trended within the same range till the end of February 2021. Maintaining the bullish trend, the price of Bitcoin smashed a new all-time high at $64,863 on April 14, 2021. In May, Elon Musk came up with the tweet saying Tesla would no longer accept Bitcoin due to environmental concerns. In addition to this, China's restriction on Bitcoin caused BTC to drop by 30% to as low as $29,802 by mid-July. Further, with increased bullish sentiments, price raised to the $50 mark by late August. Bitcoin price prediction 2022. If Bitcoin ends this year marking at higher values, then it might continue to start the next year in a bullish trend. If this happens, the BTC price might kickstart 2022 with a $100,000 milestone. In contrast, if this year closes at the minimum values, then the next year will commence with a bearish note. Then, the BTC price starting in 2022 might be below $50,000. Bitcoin has planned for improvements in the financial ecosystem and might end up in new partnerships. If this becomes a reality, many investors will enter the network, causing the price to soar up to $105,000. Price prediction for the next 5 years. If Bitcoin works on diversification and increases liquidity, it can attract more possible investors. Also, many may start trading Bitcoin due to FOMO. If this happens, Bitcoin will gain a huge amount of traders and the price might skyrocket to $25,086 by the end of the next 5 years. But if it falls prey to any criticisms due to mining that causes harm to the environment, the price might become highly volatile. Also, if there is any regulation laid in the future, it can lose many investors due to uncertainty. If this happens, the price might plunge to $24,763. Our BTC price prediction. Bitcoin initiated the year 2021 with a trading price of $31.474.76 by early January and hit an ATH above $64,000. With a bullish movement, the price efficiently started to rise. BTC's price would likely pump and may reach newer heights by enhancing its blockchain as well as the transaction speed. But currently, there is a pull-down in the price, and the price trends in the future may vary from what it was believed to be. If the network works on black market activity and protects itself from cyber attacks, then the security will be enhanced. In that case, the BTC price may hit highs beyond $90,000. On the contrary, if the market crashes anytime soon, or the proof of work system is debated, then the price can plunge as it did previously and drop below $50,000.